Hey folks, I've got a really neat bridge to share with you today. It's a second video in my Livy road trip that I took exploring these old bridges. Look at this bridge here. This is the Isleton Bridge, and what's really neat about this is it's built in 1923 and rehabbed in 1953, but the really neat fact about this bridge is that Joseph Strauss of Strauss Bascule Bridge Company designed and built this bridge, but he also built and designed the Golden Gate Bridge. That's really incredible. So this bridge really is pretty amazing in the fact that it was designed by the same guy who did the Golden Gate Bridge. Look at this beautiful bridge, as if it wasn't awesome enough that the bridge is yellow, which is my favorite color. Look at this thing. It crosses the Sacramento River in Isleton, California. This bridge also it's operated, it's totally electric. It's operated on electric motors. And so that's pretty cool too. It's totally, operated electrically, and it's all about the balance. I was talking with the control operator in this bridge, and she told me these bridges are so perfectly balanced that, they just operate on small electric motors. It's really cool. And the bridge has been rehabbed. I don't know. See that concrete part of it there? I don't know if when they rehabbed it that, that was added on or why it's part concrete and part steel. I'm not sure. But look at this beautiful little control house and, the little white railings on there. All those ladders and gears, and that other house up there up top of the stairs there, I'm not sure what that is, storage or some sort of mechanical room probably, I'm not sure. But how beautiful is this, man? I fly out across the other side of it here so you can see this side too, and it's just really a pretty bridge. That concrete is really nice too. Now, I drive a gas truck for a living, and I've been across this bridge in a truck. And it is tight, I tell you. I don't like going out that way, but we have deliveries out there, and I do have to go out there sometimes using this bridge. But anyway, it's just a beautiful bridge. Yellow and pretty and clean, and it's well over 100 years old. It's just really a beautiful thing to go out and see. I flew this with the Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0, and it did a wonderful job. Look at that. I'm way back there on the banks over there by the trees. Flew out there. Got great, smooth, beautiful footage. Nice and colorful. Look at this. This bridge with that elegant curve. Look at that curve, how it goes up over that control room. And that concrete, even the concrete is beautiful as it curves back under the bridge. Anyway, thanks for following along, guys. Like and subscribe. Share the videos. I appreciate you guys watching and all your feedback and everything. Stay tuned. I've got more bridges from this series. Also, be sure to check the description down below for some links to some history on this bridge. Take care, guys.